all are learn the lesson atmosphere. Atmosphere is a mixture of several gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. The atmosphere is nearly 71% mixed nitrogen, 21% mixed with oxygen. Remaining 1% inert gases like argon, neon, krypton, xenon, etc. Now, explain question and answers from this lesson atmosphere. First one, how many realms on the earth? Tell me children. There are 4 realms on the earth. Atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Lithosphere means the hard rocks covered on the earth surface is called lithosphere, like hills, plateaus or mountains. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, the reliance on the water is called hydrosphere. Oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, ponds, tanks, etc. on the earth is called hydrosphere. 97.25% water available on the oceans. Biosphere, all living beings on the earth known as biosphere. Bios and spira. Bios means living beings on the earth surface. Atmosphere, the thin layer around the earth, the thin air layer around the earth known as atmosphere. Children, tell me how many realms on the earth? 4. Atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Now going to second one. Explain the structure of the atmosphere. The atmosphere may be divided into the 2 layers, homosphere and heterosphere. Homosphere is mixed with 3 layers. How many layers? 3 layers. Troposphere, stratosphere and mesosphere. The lower most layer of the atmosphere is called troposphere. Cloud formation, rainfall, precipitation, all the process is in the troposphere. Oxygen is also available in the troposphere. So troposphere is essential for our life. The troposphere is extended nearly 8 to 18 kilometers. Next one, stratosphere. Stratosphere is extended nearly 50 kilometers. Here jet planes, aeroplanes are flying in this layer. The third one is mesosphere. The mesosphere is extended. The height of 80 kilometers. The mesosphere to burning of this layer entering from into the space, temperature start declining with the increasing in the altitude. Already we all learn effect of the altitude. If you are going to the every 1000 meters of ascent to decrease the temperature nearly 6.4 degrees Celsius. So here if you are going to the altitude, temperature may be declining in this layer. Next, heterosphere is consists of two layers, mesothermosphere and exosphere. The thermosphere is extended up to 400 kilometers. The radio waves are transmitted from into the air, reflected to the earth by these ions. It is called ionosphere. So what is the other name of thermosphere? It is also known as ionosphere. The topmost layer of the atmosphere is called exosphere. It is a very small thin of the layer. This is the structure of the atmosphere. Once again, structure of the atmosphere may be divided into the two types, homosphere and heterosphere. Homosphere may be divided into troposphere, stratosphere and mesosphere. Heterosphere divided into thermosphere and exosphere. Next, what may be condensation? Water change into evaporate state, it is known as evaporation. Here, water vapor change into water is known as condensation. Tell me children, what is mean condensation? Water vapor change into water. It is known as condensation. Condensation, respiration, evaporation, transpiration, runoff. These are the most important form of hydrological cycle. That means water cycle. The stages of the water cycle are respiration, evaporation, transpiration, runoff, etc. Next, explain the types of winds. First, what may be wind? Moving air is known as winds. There are three types of winds. How many types of winds? There are three types of winds. Planetary winds, seasonal winds and local winds. The planetary winds are blowing generally one place to another place in the world for other winds. It will be divided into the three types. How many types? Three types. Okay, these are trade winds, westerlies and polar winds. Next, seasonal winds. Seasonally blowing winds are called seasonal winds. When I have to come into the particular season, then that time to blow winds are called seasonal winds. Example in India, monsoon winds, southwest monsoons and northeast monsoons. So local winds. The local winds are blow due to the local variation of the temperature, humidity and air pressure. It will influence the only particular area, particular local areas. It is called local winds. May be divided into the two types, hot winds and cold winds. Hot winds are Chinook and Blue. Cold winds are Nestorle, Fiuma and Pampere. Fiona and Pampere. Next. What is precipitation? Explain the type of rainfall. What about precipitation? Precipitation will be formed on the earth surface to fall on the clouds like rainfall, humidity, precipitation, atmospheric pressure, etc. Rainfall is the major form of the precipitation. The precipitation fall on the ground, rainfall, snow, hail and fog. Okay, type of rainfalls. There are three type of rainfalls. Conventional rainfall, orographic rainfall and cyclonic rainfall. The conventional rainfall to commonly in India in the summer season. And the heat will be fall on the surface, the water will be evaporated, the evaporated water will be taken to the clouds. The particular place is fall on the rain, it is called the conventional rainfall. Orographic rainfall. Oros word derived from into the Greek. Oros means mountains. The mountain areas especially fall on the rain is called orographic rainfall. Lastly, cyclonic rainfall. When occurred the depressions in low-lying areas like oceans, seas and bays, then that time it will be fall. Rainfall is called a cyclonic rainfall. The cyclonic rainfall is very dangerous for us. When I have to come into the cyclones, the people will be suffered a lot of problems. They are lost their livelihood, they are lost their property, and they are lost their into the relatives, and farmers lost their crops. Trees will be uprooted. It is the most dangerous rain for us. Example, recently Hudud cyclones hitting in Visakhapatnam. It is so much affected that areas. It is very dangerous to face the so much problems that place like Visakhapatnam in the surrounding areas. Thank you. Thank you very much. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.